Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to react to a message on WhatsApp using emojis. Emoji reactions are a quick and fun way to respond without typing, and they make conversations a lot more expressive. Whether you want to show laughter, love, or surprise, you can do it all with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so you have access to the newest reaction features. Once the app is open, head over to the chat where you received the message you want to react to. It can be an individual chat or a group conversation. The process works the same way for both. Next, scroll through the chat and find the exact message you want to react to. You can react to text messages, photos, videos, or even voice notes. Once you found it, press and hold your finger on that message. Don't just tap it. Hold it down for a moment until a small set of emoji reactions appears right above the message. You'll see popular quick reactions appear, such as the thumbs up, heart, laughing face, surprise face, sad face, and prayer hands. These are the default reactions available on WhatsApp. To use one, simply tap the emoji that best fits your response. As soon as you do, it will instantly appear attached to that specific message, and the sender will be able to see it in real time. If you like to change your reaction, no problem. Just long press the same message again and tap a different emoji to replace your original one. Or if you decide you don't want to react at all, long press again and tap the emoji you already used to remove it. Using emoji reactions is one of the easiest ways to keep conversations light and expressive without interrupting the chat flow. It helps you acknowledge messages quickly, add emotion, and make chatting a bit more fun. Now, you know how to react to any WhatsApp message with emojis. Open your chats and try it out today to bring more personality to your messages.